I hope you're fine. Dental problems, especially gum recession, gum disease, gingivitis, bleeding from gums, are very complicating problems, and we need a very simple solution to cure these problems. Fortunately, the problems associated with teeth and gums are cured by the ingredient available in our kitchen. Yes, this is possible, like clove oil, olive oil, turmeric. These are some common examples of ingredients available in our kitchen to cure certain dental problems and gum diseases. A very common problem encountered when we got an accident or any trauma, a severe injury result in severe pain in our body, and we have to take a lot of painkillers which can disturb our stomachs. In that case, we used turmeric, 1 glass of semi-hot milk, put 1 spoon of turmeric in it, mix it and drink, and our pain will be resolved immediately. So from this perspective, we use turmeric in dental problems like toothache, gum recession, gum disease, gingivitis, and bleeding gums. Turmeric is very special natural ingredient which is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and also antibacterial. So in this video, we will discuss how to use turmeric in gum recession, gingivitis, and bleeding gums. Very easy. You need two things. One is turmeric and the other is water, or you can also use coconut oil. First step is preparation of turmeric paste, just like a toothpaste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric mix in 1 teaspoon of water or 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then a special paste will be formed. Next step will be cleaning of the affected area. First, you have to brush your teeth, floss your teeth to remove any food particles impacted between your teeth or on your gums. So, you have a clean surface to apply turmeric on the affected area. Third is application of the turmeric paste. Clean your finger or use some soft toothbrush. Put turmeric paste over your finger and apply on the affected area of receded gums, and massage of the gums of that area will be done after that. Next step, let it sit, let it stay for few minutes. You have to keep that paste on the affected receded gum area for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, the next step will be rinsing thoroughly. You have to rinse your mouth, teeth, and gums thoroughly with semi hot water to remove all the remnants of turmeric from your gums and teeth. And another important step is regular use of this. Consistency matters. You have to use this paste once daily, or you can use twice daily for at least 1 week to 1 month to get required results. Another important steps after that is monitoring of the progress. You have to see in the mirror the improvement in gum recession, reduction in swelling, reduction in gum bleeding. If there is no improvement, then you have to consult your dentist. And the final step is consultation with the dentist. Regular dental visits, proper oral hygiene techniques like brushing technique are prerequisite for good oral hygiene. Turmeric paste is adjunct to this regime. And last important note related to turmeric in, you can use safely turmeric paste in natural teeth, but if you are if your teeth are artificial like crowns, veneers, then avoid turmeric paste and it can stain your artificial teeth, and this staining will be permanent and difficult to remove. So the contraindication of turmeric paste is in artificial teeth, artificial fillings and artificial veneers made of ceramics. Hopefully this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.